First, let's open up a new project, and import our video. Right-click the bottom left pane, and select Import to import your video. Right-click it, and select New Sequence from Clip. Make sure you are on the effects layout. On the right, select Video Effects, Color Correction, and click and drag brightness and contrast onto the video track. On the top left, click and drag to adjust and change the brightness and contrast values. On the bottom, you can see the difference before and after the tuning. All done. Please subscribe.